Welcome to Nursing Manthra. I hope all you are keeping well. Every day I am getting more questions related to the international verification process of Karnataka Nursing Council and the good standing certificate, how to obtain good standing certificate from the Karnataka Nursing Council, and what is the procedure for registration renewal. So in my website nursingmanthra.com, so there are lot of queries related to this same procedure. So this video will clear all your doubts regarding the verification process and all your queries it will clear. So first we can see what is the procedure for registration renewal under Karnataka Nursing Council. So what are the steps we have to take for the registration renewal? So first of all, I want to inform you that the candidate has to present yourself in the KNC. You cannot send any relative or any agents for getting the registration renewal process done. So the main thing is you have to do the registration in the KNC website. So all the details I have given in the Nursing Manthra website. So if it's for all members who are not aware of the Nursing Manthra website. So what is the procedure means you have to sign up in the KNC website, so that you have to create your Gmail ID and password. So you will get a login information in your mail ID. So you have to click on that. So you will lead to the KNC website. You have to register with the mobile number, especially the Indian mobile number. So the OTP will be received in that number. You can type that OTP, then only you will get activated. So what is the next step? Once it is getting activated, you have to upload everything, all the documents, in the uploading section. So in the initial pages, it will be like you have to upload your photo, then it will be contact information pages will be there, and the personal information pages will be there. Then it will be like your educational details and employment details, all the page, that each page you have to fill it up and you have to go to next page. In the final section you can see the upload documents. In the upload documents, which procedure you want to do. That means you want to do the good standing certificate or the international verification process or registration renewal, which one you want to do this process, that one you have to click on that. That means here it will be registration renewal process. So you are clicking on registration renewal, okay, that one for the BSc or GNM or the MSc, which one you want to renew, that one you can just click on that. And the fees will be 500. If you have done the post BSc or MSc, both you have done also, they will ask you to charge 500 only. So, and you have to do the payment, online you can do the payment, keep the receipt of that. And most of the candidates said that there will be problem while doing the payments. So it is showing error message, but the cash is debited from their bank account. So I can tell you that you can just click on the photo which is showing the error message and the bank details which it is debited to the KNC website, KNC. That one you can just take a printout and you can show in the KNC when you are approaching them. Or that photo you can just upload instead of that payment summary like that. But you have to show when you are reaching there. This is up to the uploading and the payment section. So if you are getting error message while doing the payment, no need to worry regarding that. Then next, what do you have to do? You have to take the appointment. So nowadays I think in the website they have mentioned like appointment should be taken in the every Saturdays after 5 p.m. you will get the appointment, like that it is showing, and some of the candidates told that they are not getting the appointment whenever they are checking. But throughout I checked the website, it is showing like Saturdays after 5 p.m. you will get the appointment, like that you can take the appointment. So just try in that way to get the appointment. So which day you want to visit the KNC, you have to take the appointment for that. So after getting appointment, already I had discussed it before in one video regarding the how to take the appointment and all in the KNC. So after getting the appointment, you can just visit the KNC and there will be you have to what are the documents which is required. So there will be nearby Xerox shops will be there. They will be guiding you for taking printout of the all the documents, then the payment summary, then uploaded pages you have to each page contact information, all those pages you have to take the printout, which I clearly mentioned in my previous video. So you can check that video to get the more information what are the documents required, or my website you can check what are the documents required for my recent visit to KNC, like that it has mentioned there. So what are the documents required, it is there. Okay, you can just check on that. And the main why the candidate has to come for registration renewal process means they are taking the digital signature, your thumb impression and digital photography. For this purpose they are asking you to come for renewal process. So the candidate has to come. More candidates from the Saudi and all, they are facing the problem. They are not getting the leave and they cannot come. More problem is there, but helpless. We cannot do anything because the candidate has to present by themselves. So those who are planning to go to Saudi Arabia or any other countries, just do the renewal process. After that you can go to the place. That is my kind of advice. So once reaching there, it is very hard to come back to India and do this process. So this is the process. Okay, once you are reaching there, it is within one day all the process will finish. If you are reaching early morning, in the evening you will get the certificate like that. So all the process clearly mentioned in the website, so you can check the website related to this visit and what are the documents, all those things.